Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on the Detailing Detective YouTube channel. And today we're reviewing the next product on in the AutoGlym Polar range. So this is a pressure washer. Well, it's AutoGlym PolarWash. So this is, let's have a look. PolarWash is a safe and effective cleaner that should be applied using a pressure washer with a foam gun. After pre-washing with a snow foam, such as PolarBlast, this impressive cleaner will cover your vehicle in a blanket of foam that makes light work of dirt, traffic film and road grime removal. So that's the product that we're going to review today. If you haven't seen the last video, which was on the AutoGlym PolarBlast snow foam, go check that out. That went live last night if you're watching this sort of like in real time, or if you're watching it after these have been sort of like released, then yeah, just go to the previous video and you can check that out. That's a snow foam. It's got high cleaning power, and yeah, it's quite impressive. So back to the PolarWash. So this, like I've just said, yeah, reading the instructions is a weird way to wash a car. So we've snow foamed the car using the PolarBlast snow foam. That's got most of the dirt off, and then normally in the next stages you'd sort of like put shampoo in a bucket and then yeah, wash the car using the 2 bucket method. But with this new product, you put this in a snow foam lance and then apply it to the car. So in effect you're applying another snow foam to the car and then just use your wash mitt to yeah, wash the car. So I guess this could be a quick and effective way to wash your car, but we'll see. So just going on the instructions. So again, before you start, check that the bodywork and wheels are cool to touch, which they are. We've just snow foamed with cold water, so yeah, they're going to be cold. We recommend a pre-wash with PolarBlast to gently loosen the dirt. If not, rinse with water to loosen heavy contamination. So what I'll do is I'll put a quick clip of the snow foam. Yeah, we've just covered the car in snow foam, let it dwell for 10 minutes. And then yeah, rinse it off. So most of the hard sort of stuck on dirt has come off. So the next step is PolarWash can be used at various dilutions depending on the density of foam desired. So, however, we would not recommend using a dilution stronger than 50-50. Adjust the foam gun settings as required to increase or decrease the foam. 250 ml of mixed product should be enough to cover an average size car. So what we're going to do, we're going to mix this now. So I'll switch to the sort of like the film where I diluted this. So I diluted about 40% of this product to the rest water in a snow foam bottle, as you can see. The product's very pink, but I don't know whether that will reflect in the colour of the snow foam. It probably won't. So yeah, now we've mixed it, what's the next step? So the next step is spray PolarWash onto the vehicle, starting from the bottom and then working your way up, ensuring all exterior surfaces are covered. And then it says the foam will begin to loosen dirt on all surfaces. For a most thorough clean, we recommend agitating the foam with a sponge or a wash mitt. So that suggests that we can basically apply the product, and then when it's on, you can rinse it off, and that should clean your car. So we're not going to try that today, but I'll try it in maybe another video. But what we're going to do, we're going to apply it to the car, and then yeah, we'll use the wash mitt to clean the car, as this car was quite dirty. Because, well, I don't like just using a sponge or just a wash mitt, so I have got a bucket of clean water, so I'm just going to use that as a rinse bucket. So basically, instead of using the 2 bucket method, I'm just going to use 1 bucket, but the other bucket that you would use with shampooing, I guess that would already be on the car, so I guess that eliminates that sort of like 1 bucket. So yeah, let's go ahead and apply this to the car, see how thick it is, and then yeah, see how well it cleans. Okay, so that's all mixed, like I said before, and yeah, let's apply it from the bottom to the top, and then yeah, we'll get the wash mitt out and see if it's a nice way to clean the car. It doesn't really sit right with me with not having the 2 buckets, but yeah, we'll see how we get on. Okay, so that's the product applied. I don't know how well, like how long it stays on the car for, so I'm just gonna get straight to it with the wash mitt and start washing the car. Okay, so that's the car fully washed with the PolarWash. So I'm going to rinse it off before it dries, and then yeah, we'll see how well it cleaned. We'll look in the bucket as well to see if the water's dirty. So that's the PolarWash, all rinsed off. It has cleaned the car quite well, and it was quite easy to wash the car because yeah, you didn't have to keep going back to your first bucket and getting more soap to put on the car because it was already there. The second bucket I used just to rinse the wash mitt after sort of like every panel or two, just because this car was quite dirty. Yeah, I didn't want to sort of like scratch the car. So the car has cleaned really well. It's pretty much spotless now. So I'll show you clips now of the rinse bucket. It is quite dirty. So yeah, I guess the rinse bucket has done its job of collecting all that dirt. So hopefully this has been sort of like a safe-ish wash technique. when reading about this product when I first got it, yeah, I was a bit sort of, I don't know, a bit wary on trying this product, because what it says is, yeah, you just put the product onto the car and then get your sponge or wash mitt and then just wipe it over your car and wash your car like that. Yeah, so I think it's a lot better using it with sort of like a bucket to wash your wash mitt. It did work quite well. So yeah, the product worked alright. I don't know whether I'd use it sort of like on every single car, just because, yeah, I prefer the 2 bucket method. Also, I don't really get the point of snow foaming your car twice. This is sort of, yeah, I guess a second snow foam. If you was leaving it on for a lot longer and then jet washing it off, yeah, there'd be no point in it. But I guess it's a new way to wash the car, and for someone who maybe washes the car once a month or something, this is an easy way. If you didn't want, and you don't really mind like scratching your car and don't mind having swirls in your paint, you wouldn't even need a bucket. You just need a sponge, and then yeah, you can just wash your car. So I guess that's one positive of it, and I guess these products are sort of aimed at your sort of weekend warriors, sort of, yeah, that sort of person, not your professionals that don't want to induce any scratches and swirls. So yeah, this product is around about the £15 mark, which for a shampoo, it's not that bad, because again, all these products come in 2.5 litre bottles, which is a lot more than you normally get. Normally, yeah, you get 500ml bottles, and they're about £8. So yeah, again, like the PolarBlast Snow Foam, yeah, it's not badly priced, and I haven't used too much of it either. So you're probably going to get a good few washes out of this, and for if you wash your car probably once a month, yeah, you're probably going to get maybe 6 months out of it, maybe a bit longer. So yeah, it's not bad. Cheers for Sean again for sending these products over. I'll put all the links below for both of the products that I've used in today's video and the previous video. The next video that's going to be released tomorrow is the Polar Seal. So that is again a snow foam lance sealant that you apply to the car, and then you rinse off, and it gives you some protection. So head over to our YouTube channel tomorrow, and then yeah, you'll see that go live. Make sure you subscribe and leave a like, and yeah, we'll see you tomorrow for another video.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Ta-ra!